Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing an access point from IgniteNet. So there is pretty nothing in the box except for the access point, because the access point is powered by the PoE itself, so it does not need any power adapter and anything. And there is a rubber feet and a double-sided tape. So guys, here we have a Spark AC Wave 2 Mini from IgniteNet, and this is an access point which is powered by 802.3 AF PoE. You can power it from PoE switch or a PoE injector. We have a total 4 of these devices and we are going to deploy it in our home, and these all devices are numbered because we have already configured it from the cloud, and these devices are ready for the deployment. This is a very good access point from IgniteNet, which is a dual band indoor access point. And you can see here there are 2 gigabit Ethernet port, out of which the port 1 is used to power the device and the secondary port is for the secondary devices, and through the secondary port you can share your network across other devices. So we are basically going to deploy 4 of these and see how it works. We are going to power these devices through TP-Link 5-port gigabit PoE plus switch. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for the detailed review of this device.